statement you made that the preferable language of MOI will be English.
English.
Is aided and unaided mixed.
No, you said majority asuni. Majority asuni. But education department declares that preferable MOI language will be English language.
I have my word.
टोटल 90,000 सर, टोटल 90,000 आता जे इंग्लिश मीडियम घेऊन शिकतात ते 30,000 अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 30,000 अनएडेड स्कूल.
Unaided school, 25,000 people
Yeah,
are
25,000.
Yes.
Is this not you? This was you, right?
Yes, yes. Yes.
This was you.
Yeah, my photo only. Yes, I agree.
It's a video.
Yes, sir. It's a video. तू म्हणता नाही, my words you are taking out now. Let me listen my words. What I have said. I took a cutting म्हणला. Have I denied also? I might have म्हणला. In a melee, you know melee means sometimes something goes wrong. Do you agree with me?
So you agree that statement was wrong?
See, which one?
The
statement might have been wrong. Might have been wrong.
And you only said.
See,
sir, आता मोजो किंवा आजो स्टेटमेंट जर असो किदें किदें आयलो जाल्यार we could have understood. We are laymen. You are sitting.
No.
You are sitting on a
Don't take the name. Government also equally intelligent. I never take anybody.
गव्हर्नमेंट प्रमाणे डायरेक्टर तळ्यान मेळन आसा.
गव्हर्नमेंट
एक तळ्यान मेळन आसा. डायरेक्टरी तुम्ही तळ्यान मेळन आसा काय म्हणटा दोन्ही वटेनी तगड्याचेर पाय धरपाक. मागीर अरे
You are never worked in the government.
ना गव्हर्नमेंट आम्हीच निवडून हाडला न्हू.
Government
मागीर जाल्यार सर एक मान्य करपाक जाय कारण टोटल अप्रॉक्स.
I already made the statement. See, you see.
आणि मीडियम ऑफ इन्स्ट्रक्शन should be prefer into the.
Have you read the Lokmat?
आयचो.
No, I नहीं.
तो
That was my statement only. Then how I can make this derogative
but
statement?
I took the 360.
म्हणून आम्ही आला नाही हांगा.
आम्ही तुमका किराणा आम्ही येवचेच नाशिल्ले.
statement केला म्हणून आम्ही हांगा
नाल्यार आम्ही येवचेच नासले.
आम्ही कित्याक येतले?
नाल्यार इतले दीस कित्याक घेवंक ना?
I have been garrowed by or unveiled by all the papers. I have given them the information also. Where in the local Lokmat you are right now, he has given the statement also. Yes, when he was asking me about unaided school for the first time, he was talking about. Then I said that this is the higher side. That speaks of the higher side. That's all right.
For the medium of instruction, either the Marathi and Konkani is in the higher side at present.
In the government aided and government school.
तर दुसरी गजाल जी आसा पळय न्ही तेंच्यांनी ऑलरेडी मिडियम ऑफ इन्स्ट्रक्शन प्रिफर केल्ले आसा. ऑलरेडी पयलेंच्यान दुसरेंच्यान शिकून ते आयदर मराठींतल्यान आनी कोंकणींतल्यान फुडें येयल्ले आसा. आनी तुमी तिसरे पावल्या उपरांत तेंचो मिडियम ऑफ इन्स्ट्रक्शन खंयच्या खंयच्या बदलता. आणि
What decision माजुनी.
नो बरोबर आसा.
Hello. Yeah, tell me. ना अजून फाईल येऊ ना वापस.
कित्याक तुम्ही इश्यू क्रिएट केलो?
See, when you ask for opinion,
I have already committed myself in the this. I have told you also.
Sir, when you ask for opinion and people give opinion for vernacular language, regional language, and मागीर तुम्ही म्हणता
regional language आम्ही preference
You are
language
going
English.
back to the square one. You are again going back to square one. What you are want to say? I have made my stand clear there.
Right.
I made my stand clear. You want me to again and again repeat the same thing?
तुम्ही असं म्हणता की जोपर्यंत आता फायनल डिसिजन कोर्टाचो येना तोपर्यंत तुम्ही असले स्टेटमेंट प्लीज करू नका.
प्लीज देऊ नका.
No, listen here. That was. I will not make such statements as long as the this and all that. I also know. Every day I am sitting in the court because of this. I am spending my time in the court only more than in the office now because of these decisions.
गव्हर्नमेंटाच्या
I have the pleasure to go and sit in the court.
ना तेच सांगता तुका गव्हर्नमेंट चुकीची डिसिजन घेता आणि तुम्ही वचून कोर्टात बसता आणि ताका लागून बाकीचे
Day and night I am sitting with the honorable AG. Night I am sitting, leaving my house. Is it mean that I prefer to enjoy the AG's office?
ना म्हणूनच सांगता तुम्ही गव्हर्नमेंटाक रिकमेंडेशन दिवंक जाय की आमच्या टाइम वेस्ट करू नका.
You respect human values first. The person who is sitting here.
ना तुमचे पर्सनल काय ना
Don't.
As a person, तुमच्याकडे आमच्या वाईटपण काय ना?
No.
We are asking the chair. The chair is making derogatory and deceptive remarks. That's why we wanted an apology.
I said no, not. I will not apologize for this. I will say that yes, some statement went wrong. That's all.
It was wrong.
I got apologize.
तिथले पुरा आमचा
But I am also no. I am
withdraw the statement.
No.
You should
I have said
withdraw the statement.
you
should
withdraw
withdraw
the
the statement. You should withdraw the statement.
Listen here. When this was referring, that time my mind was running with the total unaided and aided options. Unaided and aided options, you count and tell me that. What is the
When you make a deceptive statement,
We have three
and
types of the
which can misguide
Babre, all these
misguide the
लोकांक misguide करताय तुमचे statement.
झालं मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पळय सरांनी सांगले मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टुडंट वांट्स द मीडियम ऑफ इन्स्ट्रक्शन इज मराठी आणि इंग्लिश
This is the government and government aided school.
या झाले ओके अनएडेड जे आसा
Now let me give you one chance. Yes, since you are here, I am telling you. Now you see that. We have in first to fourth standard, roughly approximately 90,000 students. Yes?
राइट
I was talking in terms of 90,000 students calculation. When that statement must have gone. 90,000. You will, whether you believe in not, now you count and tell me. 25,000 already there are in the English.
राइट
Yes.
वी आर एग्री
Correct now?
Yeah.
Now you say that. Which is more?
या डेफिनेटली
25,000 कमीच असतं 90,000
हो,
please
90,000.
आता. म्हणून आम्ही सांगता की मेजॉरिटीची 65,000 आसा ताजे तुम्ही
बापरे,
आसा तेका
चॉईस
respect
त्याला
करा
भुरग्याक धरून म्हणलावे. आता चॉईस
आणि
येयला
choice
पडटा.
करपाचो
Choice,
प्रश्नच येना.
विचारपाचो प्रश्नच येना न्ही. All
तुमी
these
choice
choice
कोणी
जे-
घेवपाक
हा.
लागले?
MOI
Choice
policy-
घेवपाक लागले.
जी स तारखेच्या
When the MOI policy was
सुरू
not
झाल्या
there,
तेंका तुम्ही
We want you to withdraw the statement of yesterday and
No, unless until I
No,
hear, no.
see.
No. In this, I cannot give in writing anything to you. I cannot give in writing anything to you. That's it.
ना
If you
आमच्या
are
समोर
the-
तुम्ही सांगले नाही
No,
आता.
I don't know.
त्यांनी
I don't know.
सांगितलं.
That's an this type
सगळ्या
of
प्रश्न-
representation I will not. See,
Representation
I hope that you are all
inward
responsible.
देऊया, inward देऊया.
Listen here.
Inward
You are
देऊया.
all responsible citizens of this
right.
state.
That is why we came to
No,
meet
no.
you, sir.
that's why we came here.
I also know that I am
Because you are
not.
answerable.
See,
when
I have not
when you
become
see
the
the
officer
government
by
office,
fluke.
you are answerable
By
to the
all
people,
credit.
right?
See now, I am not here to controversial man. I have not come here to make the controversies and to support somebody. I want to go by the truth. I want to go by the truth. And what was the truth that time prevailing?
But
I
I
also
also
The
know.
prevailing truth is that
आता तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असलेलं
65,000 students are
truth किती
still
असतात
in Marathi and
No,
English.
again, no,
And
again
only
in that
for
I am
those
telling you.
25,000
Again,
students
what
are
I
not implemented
tell
in
you
English.
that is, in a aided and government
Definitely.
college. Majority is the regional language only. That is
Regional
accepted.
language, हाँ, that is accepted.
That is what.
चला. ओके चल. हे ती कॉपी दे रे. हे ओरिजिनल कॉपी दे रे. प्रेसाक दिए के. प्रेसाक दिए.
See, I don't like this type of the crowding and it. You four would have come and
because
given
no, it's not the-
No. See,
No, no, sir, it is not a question of somebody liking
you
or
are
disliking.
holding. We are see. I was also a student leader during my college days. We have also gone to the merit of this. We have not gone there. We have taken the big crowd.
सर एकट्यान
But
वचून
whenever
कोण
gone
ऐकून
to
घेना?
anybody
एकट्यान
who
वचून
has
कोण
a-
ऐकून घेना? हांव एकटो आयिल्लो जाल्यार you are under
But see, किती वेळ झाला? Law is there. Law is
सर,
there.
सर, लॉ इज
एज्युटेशन कशी करची प्लीज मातशें
लॉ इज द दोनापण
That is the different topic आमी
टोटली कॉलेज लॉ एंड ऑर्डर टोटली कॉलेज
Agitations कशी करपाचें?
लॉ एंड ऑर्डर टोटली
भारत युवा मोर्चाचा भारत माता की जय भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा
Might have gone wrong, some derogative this and all that. I will not do. Now they want me to apologize. Why I should apologize? कोणा फेकतो ते? It is better. See, as a discussion, I may talk anything. Because so many things are running in my mind. So it is better, let us wait for the decision. What do you say? You should agree with me. Let us wait for the decision of the court, what court says, which is, anyway the matter is in the court. It is one hearing, then the final stage of the day. Let us wait Monday. Monday, what Tuesday, the decision will come out. Who is right and who is wrong? now what their question is that whether the officers can't do anything. Can I answer this? When my government decides one thing, have I to work for it or no? You are in a better position to judge. I'm like now this. Sometimes what happens? Sometimes we speak. That is taken a different meaning out of it. The interpretation, no, it is everything it is there. My answer may be no to you. If it is hurting you, will shout in my name. But I will face. Now today, we will not take any this. I will not have anything because there is a court matter is going on. Let the decision is very nearing this. Another 2-3 days, the decision will come. All of us will come to know what is the decision of the court. That is what they said, no? That is something else.
English will be implemented.
Yes, sir.
As a medium of...
We never said like that. I don't remember also.
No, but they referring this is from which channel or print
Channel.
Channel, which channel?
365.
365.
There's some discussion during that time, total number of students and over that time something must have, some statement must have gone.
From you.
They say they like that. I have not heard. They may be showing the footage also. My voice I have to hear, no? There may be that this. My voice has to be, but I don't remember also. After I think 5 days back it was.
गोंय प्रदेशान आयज शिक्षण उपसंचालक अनिल पवार हांकां घेराव घातलो. काल तांणी भाशा माध्यमाच्या प्रश्नाचेर एक अत्यंत दुर्दैवी अशा प्रकारचो स्टेटमेंट केल्लो की मराठी किंवा कोंकणीच्या वावरांत कितलेच जरी लोक असले तरी सुद्धा प्रिफर्ड लँग्वेज म्हणजे सोयीची भाशा इंग्लीश अशें म्हणून आसतली ह्या प्रकारचो जो तांणी स्टेटमेंट केल्लो ताचो निशेध करपा खातीर आमी हांगा तांकां घेराव घातिल्लो आनी ताच्या बद्दल विशेष ज्यो फुडल्यो हें आसा म्हायती आसा ती सिद्धेश सांगता.
काल अनिल पवार जे आसा उपसंचालक जे आसा तांणी स्टेटमेंट केल्लो की मेजॉरिटी स्टुडंट्स पेरंट्स कितें ऑप्ट करूं पण प्रिफर्ड लँग्वेज जी MOIची आसतली ती इंग्लीश आसतली. हो दुर्दैवी स्टेटमेंटाचो आमी निशेध करपाक हांगा आयिल्ले आनी आज आमी तांकां घेराव घातिल्लो युवा मोर्चान. तर तांणी आज मान्य केला की तांची ही चूक जाल्ली आनी हो स्टेटमेंट तांणी फाटीं घेता अशें जाहीर घोशणा केला.
ना पयलीं तेणी तुमी येवच्या पयलीं जेन्ना आमी ताका सांगलें की हो स्टेटमेंट तूं कसो केला काय म्हणून तो आपली एक टंग स्लीप जाली म्हणपा लागलो आनी त्या पद्दतीन ताचो स्टेटमेंट येयला म्हणटा. जेन्ना मिडिया आयली मिडिया फुड्यान तेन्ना सांगलें तेन्ना तो स्टेटमेंट फाटीं घेवपाक तयार ना जालो. पूण आमी जेन्ना प्रेशरायज केला तेन्ना ताणें स्टेटमेंट फाटीं घेतला.